with motivation and rewards. When employees were on set deadlines and didn't have time to consider, they were unable to create sustainable shoes rather than just whatever they could create within the timeline. Though Nike benefited overall from the use of motivation and rewards towards their design employees, if Nike used a possible reward system with contracted factories, they could benefit and get more factories on board.
Okay, so corporate responsibility, environmental sustainability, and the bottom line, they all exist individually, but they're also interrelated. So first, corporate responsibility. This is a very complex concept. Inevitably, it boils down to doing the right thing. This was mentioned several times in this case study. So employees doing the right thing, the company making the right decisions, and this is really important, but there's also environmental sustainability. So this basically is making decisions that will have the least negative impact to the environment. So you could be corporately responsible and making decisions where you feel that you're doing the right thing. However, if you don't look at every single step within the supply chain and every single step and decision that you make through start to finish of creating these products, and you're not looking at the impact that each of those steps is having on the environment, is having on the people in these places where these products are being created, then you're really not being corporately responsible and you're not really doing the right thing. So what Nike did is they really started to focus on corporate social responsibility and the environmental sustainability, and really ingraining this in every business decision that they made. This way, people would ultimately make a positive effect as part of this process, on the bottom line. So if you ingrain these things into all of your business processes, at first it might seem like it's going to be more costly. It's going to cost the company more to use, a way of producing a product that is more time consuming, or using materials that are better on the environment but that are going to cost more initially. But over time, what that does is it leaves a better impact on your stakeholders, on your customers, on all of the relationships that you make. And ultimately, if it's done correctly, the way that Nike has been doing it, it will positively affect the bottom line.
To promote the use and benefit of sustainable products, Nike needs to educate external partners so they have a deeper understanding of why sustainability is important. In most countries where Nike's external partners, there is no education on the environment or environmental standards. Therefore, the factory owners do not care because the costs that come with sustainability, and whether or not they do care about the cost of sustainability, and they want to make profits.
For problem number 2, some improvements would be to create different strategies for each category. That way they can take into consideration the unique situation dependent on each different product. The CR rep, there should be a CR rep for each category as well. That way they can act as a subject matter expert, and they can be used to offer advice and just to bounce more ideas off of. There should also be rewards for different levels. Rewards for different levels within the index and for reaching the different category. And employee recognition needs to be linked to achievements on the index. When an employee can see how their work is being graded and they can see where they fall within that, it allows them to create personal goals within the workplace and strive to do better.
Some improvements for problem number 3 include changing the marketing and PR strategy, the warranty, and Nike's mission. The marketing and PR strategy needs to communicate the benefits of sustainable products to its consumers. This marketing strategy would focus greatly on the general quality of the sustainable creations and how they hold the same quality as performance-based products. Nike could also update their warranty and returns policy. Since their products are durable and hold up to the normal standards, the warranty could be extended to show consumers that Nike believes in its sustainable products' quality. Nike could also add to their value and mission statement with a specific focus on creating sustainable products that uphold performance standards while also adding to the company's corporate responsibility.
In conclusion, Nike and the introduction of the VP of Corporate Responsibility have established a very solid base of corporate responsibility within their company operations. So they are now able to work and build upon that. By following our suggested improvements in the previous slides and continuing to place both corporate responsibility and environmental sustainability at the forefront of all of their activities, Nike will continue to thrive and grow within their marketplace, being a notably corporate responsible company. Thank you, and we welcome you to email us any questions that you may have.